Good Lord. Sorry, I just got that song stuck in my head, but this is what I got. I got a blanket. My stuff is all the way back there. Over there. So, I got foam. I got a lot of stuff. Sorry, I couldn't really post while I was in there, because, yeah. I don't know. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. My, good Lord. Here comes 2 to the 3 to the 4. Damn. I don't like how good this phone is, because it shows my skin and I don't like it. Yeah. Dear Theodore, so much to say. I'm trying to get up to 2 minutes, so. Dear Theodore, so much to say. Dear, have my eyes, you have your mother. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Oh no. Blah blah blue blah 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 blue blah blah blue blue. Yeah, so I got Sprite too. Here, I'm gonna taste test it, even though I already know what it tastes like. I'm just gonna do it. Don't explode, don't explode, don't explode. Oh no, it's gonna explode. It's gonna explode on me. What the? You guys heard that too, right? I just went, where's the duck? Did you guys hear that? Taste test. Yummy. Oh, I'm already at 2 minutes. Hold on. It's not sponsored. And my phone's there. Not my phone. I just saw an old lady putting on lipstick.